Hello, everybody. This is Vinayak from Vox for Lifetime, where we simplify Linux and server management for you by vox4.com, your trusted provider for lifetime VPS, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, and more. Today, we are diving into how to run cron jobs or scripts automatically at system boot using Crontab. Whether you are setting up server maintenance tasks or automating system processes, this tutorial has you covered. Crontab is a powerful scheduling utility in Linux that automates task execution at predefined times or intervals. By setting up cron jobs, you can schedule maintenance tasks, log cleanups, backups, and more. Today, we'll focus on configuring Crontab to execute scripts on system startup. The syntax for cron job or cron tab is stars, which will be defining minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week, space, the command which we want to execute. Let's look at a reboot keyword in cron jobs or cron tab. The reboot keyword is used to tell our server about which specific commands should be executed after our server comes online when rebooted. Copy command for reboot, that is at the rate reboot space path and our script. This script can be located anywhere, that can be a root directory or a home directory. Go to terminal. First open cron tab or cron configuration by typing cron tab space -e. Choose Nano Editor because it is easiest version for command line editing in Linux. Scroll to bottom, type at the rate reboot space script file name or which specific command you want to initiate after reboot happens. I will type /root /test.sh. This command initiate a test.sh bash file as soon as our server is rebooted. To create a cron tab entry for running scripts at boot in our Linux server or Linux machine, we will use sudo systemctl status cron. Go to terminal. I will exit my cron tab by pressing Ctrl X. Paste this command present on our blog and press enter. The cron service is active. If cron is not installed on your server, that can be Ubuntu server or CentOS or RHEL based system, use sudo apt-get for installing on Ubuntu servers, and on CentOS or RHEL based systems, we will use the sudo yum command or sudo dnf commands. Copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. Since cron is already installed in our server, there is no new addition in the packages present on our server. To add a cron job with reboot in our cron tab file, first we will go to cron tab, clear my terminal, paste the command, scroll to the bottom, add an entry for your cron job. That can be any file which you have pasted inside of your server or present at a destination. Copy this, go back to terminal, paste it, hit Ctrl X, Y, and enter. These commands will only be executed when our system is rebooted, not at a specific timing, like after X number of hours or after a specific time is passed, for example, 1 day or 2 day. Only when our server is rebooted, these commands will be run. Let's look at some best practices while writing boot time scripts. We need to ensure the scripts are executable before they are sent in cron job or cron tabs. To make sure that scripts are executable, use chmod. Go to terminal, create a script named test.sh. Do a chmod by typing chmod space plus x space test.sh if the file is present in current directory. However, if it is in any different directory in which you are currently not present, you can also specify the complete location or complete path for that directory. Press enter. Our file is now executable. To redirect logs for debugging purposes, use command present in our blog. Copy it, go to terminal, paste it. Instead of path /2 slash script, use path that is /root /test.sh, and output shall be given in a log file present in where directory under script.log. Press enter. This command is used for getting debugging logs for any cron job commands or bash script. Examples of jobs or script run using Crontab can be restarting of Python or restarting your mail server. We will add Python in our case. Copy this command present on our blog. Go to terminal, open Crontab again, scroll to the bottom, paste this command and exit it. It is as easy as this. Our cron job for restarting Python at reboot is now saved in cron jobs. Similarly, if you want to backup files automatically to a specific directory using rsync, on which we have already created a tutorial in our blog, copy this command, go to terminal, open cron tab again, paste it. Make sure you use a valid directory in place of backup slash directory and source slash directory. In my scenario, I will create a backup of root directory. So I will use only root. And as for backup, I will do directory 1. Exit it. There are messages as well which tell us that installing of new cron tab is going on, which means that a new cron job will be added to our server or our Linux machine. To auto update or start updates at booting of our VPS, use sudo apt update command at reboot. Copy it, go to terminal, type again cron tab space -e, scroll to the bottom, paste it, and it is just easy as this. Go back and exit our cron tab. If we encounter any issues such as permission issues or path issues or logs, perform these actions. If we get a permission denied error, check permission and change it by using chmod or chown command. For the path issues, make sure the path is complete and valid. If path is not correct, there will be errors while executing the cron job. Same goes for logs. Check logs by navigating to our var and log and syslog or var/log/cron.log file for our cron jobs. To check for system logs and error messages of cron jobs, use the command sudo tail space -f space the directory that is /var/log/syslog. Copy it, go to terminal, paste it, and press enter. This will show us live logs for our system logs. That wraps up our guide on running jobs and scripts using Crontab at system boot. We covered Crontab basics, setting up auto execution, and systemd approach. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with others exploring Linux automation. Check out our blog linked in the description for detailed steps, and remember, For reliable VPS, dedicated servers, and managed WordPress hosting, visit vox4.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.